Hey everyone, I'm back again with a recipe using my triple garlic chutney, or as I call it, my Colorado chutney. I don't know if you remember or if you've seen that video, but this triple garlic chutney I initially made in Colorado because we went on a trip and we wanted to make dosa one day. My cousin did bring the dosa batter, but then she forgot the sambar as we are rushing out of the house. And we are like, okay, now we have dosa batter and we have the potatoes and nothing else, like no sambar to go with it. So, what to do? We had some tomatoes and some garlic and whatnot. So, we like, okay, let's make a recipe out of it. Let's see if we can do something with it, right? And then we made this triple garlic chutney, which was absolutely delicious, perfect for making dosa quesadilla, and we enjoyed it, and you didn't even need sambar with it. But then after I came back home, I was in love with this chutney, so I made it again, and then I made a bunch of different recipes with it. So far, I have made like a fried dal with it, which you can easily make for a weeknight meal within 5 minutes, really, because if you have the chutney ready, you just have to mix it in with the dal and do a tadka, and you're all set. The other recipes that I have made with it is a cabbage salad, the dressing being the triple garlic chutney dressing, which was super yum. Oh, I have also made an egg curry with this triple garlic chutney, and it was so yummy, just so yummy. So if you have not checked all those videos out, check it out. I'm sure you'll love it. And of course, this is the last recipe I have made with my triple garlic chutney, which is so delicious. It looks great, but it tastes even better. So definitely make it. Take my word for it. Save the recipe and make it someday. Make the chutney once, and then you can use it quite a few different ways. And that's what I like about this triple garlic chutney. I hope you will save this recipe and enjoy it someday. But definitely, it's worth making it. So take care. Bye bye.